Hello guys, in this tutorial we will see how it's possible to do form validation in Next.js using ShadCN's form field. So let's go to Next.js and let's go on this website and copy this command, and here we will go to some projects, and we will open git bash and say and paste this command, and we will call it YouTube Next.js form validation. So it's gonna create all of these. Well, we need to answer some questions. So TypeScript, no to ESLint, yes to TailwindCSS, yes to source directory, yes to app router, yes to turbo pack, no to import alias, and it's gonna install in Next.js now. So in the meantime, let's go to ShadCN, and we will click on docs here and installation Next.js, and we will copy this command, and as soon as this installation is finished, which is now, we will open it in VS Code. This is my other project. We will go to documents, projects, YT, select, and now we can say new terminal, and we will paste it in like so, and hit enter. And then we will, that doesn't matter which one we choose, let's just go like this, and we will force it to install. There we go. And now if we go to our form field, so let's go to form, components, form. Just copy this command, paste it, and install it. Use force. There we go. Now we need input. Copy it, paste it, enter, and we have input. And if we go back to our form, that's basically what this form is. So let's copy this, and in our app directory, in our page, let's create our form.tsx, and we will generate a boilerplate, and here we will do this. And my prettier is acting up, and if we say we need to have this for some interactability with the form. If we import it, and here's same form control, and we will need to import all of this. So here control space and import. I actually think it's from this, yeah. So import all of this. Form description, form message, and we will need a schema. So basically, let's copy all of this, and at the top we have use client, which will make it a client component, and we will need ZAM. This, I don't think it's installed. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Okay, it's installed. Okay, so what we can say here, let's call this name, and we will need a ZAR resolver as well. paste it here, and here we will need this. So instead of this, we will just say like so, and here we will call it name, and let's say a minimum of like 3 characters, and the message is that's fine, too short. And we will need an unsubmit. And here, what is it? One second, let me take a look. Let me just import all of this. Oh, it is already imported. So what we need is actually this, like so. Actually form handle submit and then unsubmit. That's just the way it is. Name will be it has to be name. So basically this one inside of form field, not inside of this one, but inside of form field, this name actually this is named twice, but on the left hand it's always the same, but on the right side it has this one. This name is actually the same as this form schema name. And this actually this doesn't go here. Here actually we need to say form, and then like so. So, and we need a button as well. And we will say submit, and this has to be type submit. So if we check it, we need to put it in our page as well. So we will just delete all of this, and we will say div, and we will say our form, and you can see it's already imported like so. So if we open a terminal, and if you say p npm or npm or yarn dev, in npm you need to say run dev. So the first time this turbo pack is running the application, it's gonna take a few seconds longer, but every other restart of the server is gonna be fast. So, and also while the server is running and you're making changes, it's gonna automatically restart watch the changes. So we need this. We are missing the input field in our form. So what we need is, if we go back to our hook form, form control needs to be here actually. If we say input from UI input, and this render is actually giving us a field. So if we go like this, we can actually spread the field like so. And if we go back, we have this. Let's actually make this a little bit max width G, MX auto BG, let's say purple 200, and just some styles. So we have this. If we press submit, nothing happens. Why? Because it should actually, if we say console, Not actually sure why that's happening. Let me just wait. It's because okay, of course I'm blind, sorry. We need to have this here, and now if we go like this, we have the name here, and if we delete it, too short, and if we refresh and press submit, too short. So that's basically it, and you can create many different variations of this, of different fields and stuff. So yeah, label, let's see, HTML4, and this will be named, and like so, and this label will also be red when it's an error. And we can also say something like we can take this and put it in a, let's say, empty 10, and go like this, and now it's a bit better, maybe 6. So yeah, so that's how you do forms in Next.js. See you guys next time.